We are outside of Red Cliffs. We are camping for the night here. We booked ourselves a really nice hotel in Vail on Memorial Day, but this weekend we're trying to save some money, doing some camping. Michael's trying to get a little stovetop going so we can start cooking dinner. Michael is finally getting to use his silky saw in the wilderness. Look how happy that man is. Kaya is prowling the campsite.
I'm also going to get to use my throwing knives for non-throwing purposes.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We are building a flag to claim our campsite. For the final touch, a flag. The Labradorxen standing guard over the camp. I just took an aspirin. My head is pounding, but I'm super excited for this impromptu camping trip. We are at 11,000 feet, just a few uphills from our campsite, and we are both a little bit out of breath. Whew, our Georgia lungs, man, not used to this.
We're set up over here. We are about to cook dinner. There is a debate between the jambalaya or the chicken Alfredo. Maybe? No, hamburger helper. Campsite. We literally, I ran through the Safeway in my spare time and grabbed what I could.
This is how you make dinner at a campsite when you cannot use the fire. Faye's trying to get our little stove going. First in line for a pork product is none other than Miss Kaya herself.
Papa, I'm in line for more sausage.
Y'all, we did not sleep so good last night. The air mattress kind of deflated on us, so it was like sleeping on a bouncy house. But we are still up and at it this morning. A beautiful walk right outside of Red Cliffs, Colorado. And we're gonna go take the car and drive up to the top and see if we can get a view.